welcome back to my channel. The past week was pretty rough on me because my grandpa passed away last week on Monday, and I didn't really feel like I was able to film, and it was really hard because I couldn't go see him when he was in the hospital. It took a toll on me since I wasn't over there. I hadn't seen him in like 7 years. It's actually today, 7 years. I haven't visited them 7 years ago. I know I said I was gonna film last week the tutorial for this palette and swatches and the review. I just wanted to let you guys know what happened. I wanted to quickly mention that on YouTube you can actually see on your phone. If you go to community, I keep you guys updated there. So if there's anything that happens with a video, I post it there or on Instagram and Twitter. I think I don't remember if I posted up on Snapchat. Anyways, I'm just gonna start this video. Today's video is the review, swatches, and makeup tutorial with this palette by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is the Riviera palette. The texture on the palette is very different from all the other palettes. This feels more like hard fabric, kind of like a purse kind of fabric. I don't know, it feels different than all the other palettes. It's really pretty. I have a purse that kind of looks like this. I loved it when I first saw on Instagram, and when I saw the inside, it has vibrant colors. It has 14 eyeshadows like all the palettes by ABH. This one has 6 metallics and 8 matte eyeshadows. They're all super soft. They are very pigmented. And also when you swatch them, I don't have any problem blending the shadows. I haven't used all of the colors in this palette, but with the ones that I worked, they blend pretty good. As always, they include that dual brush where you have the blending and the eye shading brush. This palette here in Canada retails for $59, which I thought is kind of weird because all of their palettes retail for $55. It's $4 more than the regular price. Because they changed the packaging, I'm assuming that that's the reason why. I feel like this packaging is harder to clean. It's not like the other ones where you pat some makeup towelette and rub it off. Everything else is perfect. I love all the eyeshadows. This is like a tropical palette, like really pretty. Alright, so that's all I have to say about the palette. So let's just jump into the swatches. To the makeup tutorial. This makeup look was inspired by this picture right here that I saw on Instagram. I know it's not the same. I just wanted to use the more colorful colors on this palette, and it reminded me of that look. So I try to do that look using just this palette. I am not talking through this makeup tutorial, so it's going to be a quick makeup tutorial. I also skipped my foundation routine because I always use the same foundation, the same concealer. Alright, so don't forget to leave your thoughts on this makeup look and on the palette in the comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Thank you so much for everyone who has been subscribing to my channel. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy about that. Let's get this channel to 2,000 subscribers. I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up doing a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers because I want to give you guys back for supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!